Hello and welcome to this session. Vapor Zone is a rejuvenating treatment that utilizes steam to cleanse, hydrate, and revitalize the skin. This refreshing experience deeply cleanses, hydrates, and promotes relaxation.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to describe Vapor Zone and its functions, list the benefits of facial using Vapor Zone, and explain the procedure of performing facial using Vapor Zone. Vapor Zone and its benefits. Vapor Zone is a device that emits a warm, gentle steam which helps to open the pores, remove impurities, and prepare the skin for subsequent treatments. Here are some of the key reasons why the Vapor Zone holds importance in the beauty industry. Deep cleansing. Steam produced by the Vapor Zone helps to open the pores and softens sebum and other impurities such as dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, thus leading to cleaner and healthier skin. Hydration and moisture. The warm steam from the Vapor Zone helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with dry or dehydrated skin. Pore preparation. The steam helps to soften the skin and open the pores, making it easier to perform extractions and remove blackheads, whiteheads, and other impurities. Relaxation. The steam produced by the Vapor Zone creates a relaxing and soothing experience, reduces stress, and provides a spa-like ambience, thus enhancing the overall client experience. Blood circulation and oxygenation. The warm steam helps to stimulate blood circulation, increasing oxygen and nutrient supply to the skin, thus resulting in a healthier complexion. Enhanced product absorption. The Vapor Zone prepares the skin for the application of serums, masks, and other skincare products. Open pores allow for better product penetration, maximizing the benefits and effectiveness of subsequent treatments. Steps in facial using Vapor Zone. The procedure of facial using Vapor Zone consists of 5 important steps. Step 1. Prepare the client. Step 2. Cleanse the client's face. Step 3. Position and set up the Vapor Zone. Step 4. Steam the client's face. Step 5. Perform manual extractions and soothe skin. Let's look at each of the steps in detail. Begin by having a consultation with the client to understand their skin concerns, any specific conditions, allergies, or sensitivities they may have, and the desired outcomes from the facial. Communicate with the client about the facial treatment using a Vapor Zone. Make sure the client understands what to expect during the treatment and addresses any concern they may have. Before proceeding with the Vapor Zone treatment, ensure that the client provides informed consent for the facial treatment. Advise the client to remove any jewelry, such as earrings, necklaces, or bracelets that may interfere with the facial or get damaged by the steam. Offer the client a gown to cover their body and protect their clothing during the treatment. Instruct the client to lie down in a relaxed and suitable position. Wash your hands before you start the treatment and put on gloves. If the client has long hair, provide them with a headband or hair tie to keep their hair away from their face. If the client is wearing makeup, use cleansing milk or a gentle makeup remover appropriate for their skin type. Apply the remover to a cotton pad and gently wipe away the makeup from the face, including the eyes, lips, and any other areas where makeup is applied. Begin by pre-cleansing the client's face using a suitable pre-cleansing product. This step helps remove any surface dirt, oil, or impurities. Apply a small amount of the pre-cleanser to your fingertips and gently massage it onto the client's dry face using circular motions. Rinse the pre-cleanser off with lukewarm water and pat the skin dry with a disposable tissue or a clean towel. Select a gentle cleanser appropriate for the client's skin type. Apply the cleanser to the client's damp face, starting from the forehead and working your way down to the neck. Use gentle, upward circular motions to cleanse the skin thoroughly. Rinse the cleanser off with lukewarm water, ensuring all traces of the product are removed. Gently pat the skin dry with a clean towel or disposable tissue. Place the vapor zone in a safe and convenient location. Ensure there is an electrical outlet nearby for powering the device. Caution: remove any flammable materials or liquids that may pose a risk. Set the vapor zone at a level that aligns with the client's reclined position. Adjust the vapor zone so that the steam nozzle is directed towards the client's face at a comfortable distance. Fill the vapor zone with distilled water. Turn on the vapor zone and allow it to heat up. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for operating the device. Adjust the vapor zone settings to achieve the desired level of steam intensity. Instruct the client to close their eyes and relax. Put cotton pad on the client's eyes. Check the temperature of the steam so that it does not create discomfort for the client. Steam the face for the recommended duration. Normal skin, 8 to 10 minutes. Oily skin, 12 to 15 minutes. Sensitive, dry skin, 3 to 5 minutes. Rosacea or coparose, broken capillaries, 3 to 5 minutes. Check for the temperature in between. Turn the steam outlet away from the client before turning off the machine and move it to a safe place immediately after treatment. Performing manual extractions after using a vapor zone can be an effective way to remove blackheads, whiteheads, and other impurities from the skin. Ensure that your hands and tools are clean and sanitized to prevent the spread of bacteria. Place a cotton pad or tissue in one hand to apply gentle pressure around the extraction site. With the other hand, use a blackhead remover to apply controlled pressure on the targeted blackhead or whitehead. Start with light pressure and gradually increase if necessary, but avoid applying excessive force that could damage the skin. After each extraction, use a cotton pad or tissue to wipe away the extracted material. Continue with extractions in other targeted areas, wiping away the debris as you go. Use ice cubes immediately after removal of blackhead to close the pores of the skin. Once all extractions are complete, apply a soothing toner or an antiseptic solution to calm the skin and prevent any potential infection.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned vapor zone and its functions, benefits of facial using vapor zone, and procedure of performing facial using vapor zone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.